What if humans could breathe underwater? Imagine a world where the boundaries between land and sea blur, and the oceans become as accessible to us as the sky is to birds. This one extraordinary ability could revolutionize human life in ways we can scarcely imagine today, transforming our homes, our travel, our science, and even our relationship with the planet. If humans could breathe underwater, cities could stretch beyond the coastlines into the vast, uncharted underwater world. Imagine urban landscapes nestled within coral reefs, or towering glass domes built on the ocean floor, lit by bioluminescent algae and illuminated by the refracted sunlight streaming through the waves above. The ocean would no longer be a barrier. It would become a new frontier for expansion. Coastal cities, once vulnerable to rising sea levels, could adapt and thrive beneath the surface, turning a challenge into an opportunity. Travel and tourism would change forever. Beaches, which have long been hubs for leisure, might lose some of their allure as humanity ventures beneath the waves. Tourists would flock to underwater resorts, swimming freely among schools of fish and exploring submerged ruins of ancient civilizations without the need for oxygen tanks or bulky equipment. Deep-sea trenches, which have always been shrouded in mystery, could become popular destinations for the bold and curious. Personal underwater vehicles might replace yachts, and the thrill of diving to the ocean's depths could become an everyday activity. The ability to breathe underwater could also spark a profound shift in how we interact with the environment. For the first time, humans could coexist with marine life in their world. This closeness might inspire a deeper appreciation for the ocean's biodiversity and the fragile ecosystems within it. However, with this new accessibility comes the risk of harm. Increased human activity in the ocean could disrupt habitats, pollute the waters, and place additional strain on already endangered species. Would humans learn to respect the ocean as stewards, or would history repeat itself with exploitation and overuse? The scientific possibilities would be nothing short of extraordinary. Marine biology, oceanography, and underwater archaeology would enter a golden age of discovery. Researchers could observe deep-sea creatures in their natural habitats for extended periods, uncovering secrets that were once beyond our reach. The depths of the ocean, which cover more than 70% of the planet, yet remain largely unexplored, could finally be charted. We might discover new species, unknown energy sources, or even cures for diseases hidden in the chemistry of marine life. Yet, living underwater would come with challenges. Human bodies are not designed for the depths. The pressure increases rapidly as we descend, and the cold, dark environment could pose serious risks. Overcoming these challenges would require advancements in technology and biology, perhaps specialized suits, habitats, or even genetic modifications. How would these adaptations change what it means to be human? And Randa, would living underwater create new divisions between people on land and those beneath the sea? Beyond the practical, this change would alter our perspective on Earth. The oceans, long regarded as vast and untouchable, would become an integral part of our lives. The boundaries between land and sea would dissolve, fostering a greater sense of unity with the planet. Humanity might gain a new respect for the delicate balance of life on Earth, recognizing the interconnectedness of ecosystems above and below the waves. But there are moral and ethical questions to consider. If we had access to the oceans, would we exploit them as we have the land? Would we prioritize sustainability and harmony, or would greed drive us to overfish, mine, and pollute these newly accessible realms? The choices we make would determine whether this ability leads to a brighter future or accelerates environmental destruction. So, what if humans could breathe underwater? It's a vision filled with promise, wonder, and excitement. But it is also a cautionary tale. The ocean holds endless potential for exploration, connection, and growth. But with great power comes great responsibility. If we could live beneath the waves, we'd have to decide not just how to do it, but how to do it right.